What's up, people? It's my dirt bike, old one. Yeah, pretty beastie. Keeps up with the 125s pretty good, 2-stroke. Check her out. Yeah, she blew up right now. No compression. Gonna rebuild it all up, put a pipe on her, and then sell her for like $600 because I bought it for like $1,000, brand new from dealer. Yeah, but 2004. Yep, pretty sweet. Nothing but a beast right here. See, it's 2-stroke, but it ain't got that big of a pipe on her. That's a pretty small one. Pretty dirty right now. Haven't washed her yet from the last time I rode her, like, cause it blew up and I wasn't gonna fix it, but now I'm gonna fix it so I can sell it. Yeah, works pretty nice. Alright, peace.